So the very last objective here in chapter 8, we're just going to real quickly talk about a couple of ratios that I want to make sure that you're familiar with. The first one is called the accounts receivable turnover. Now this is very similar to the inventory turnover ratio that we calculated back in chapter 6. So accounts receivable turnover is measuring how many times a year we collect our average level of receivables. The higher the number, the faster we're collecting our receivables. So it's usually just net credit sales divided by average accounts receivable, where the average accounts receivable, just like in the inventory turnover, is the beginning accounts receivable plus the ending balance in accounts receivable divided by 2. So that's how we get that average. So here we're told in this example of Amazon company, they collect their receivables on average 15.61 times a year. Now, what I really want to know though is the days sales in receivables. So days sales tells me on average how many days it takes to collect the average level of receivables. We want to make sure that the average level of receivables isn't longer than our collection period. So if we've said that the collection period is, let's say, 30 days, we expect customers to pay us in 30 days, but our average is 33 days, then that means that more than half of our receivables are being collected late, and that's a problem. So we'll want to look carefully at either who we're allowing to buy on credit. Maybe we need to be a little stricter on who we're allowing to buy on credit, or maybe we decide we need to offer some sales discounts to entice our customers to pay their bill earlier. So we may offer them a 110 net 30 to try to to speed up those collections. So days sales and receivables is just 365 divided by the account receivable turnover. So using the data that we were given for Amazon, we can see that Amazon collects their average receivables every 23 days.